natural snake in the pants makes those their everyday lives through, looking for the right purple mouse. She wonders when she can dine again and meet girls slowly choose her prey. Did you ever find one that you like? It often takes 3 months to launch a natural snake. Doesn't bitch anymore on the same food and just leaves and says that's it. Rarely does natural snake have such a long time to its prey, but lurk again for new loot. Hardly one country turns to their next relationship with a new purple mouse on his side. But he doesn't really get the rich addresses. He needs a perfect purple mouse on his side. Therefore he snakes on and on around the mice until he finds you the perfect prey for life, so that he likes to eat you every day.